It's a very cold February afternoon here at Germany, and I am at Uhingen, which is almost 40 kilometers away from Stuttgart, the automotive hub of Germany. And EWS Technologies, who are the manufacturers of tool holders for turn mills, turrets, and many other products.
EWS was founded in the year 1960, and we were first of all sub-supplier for chemical industries and hydraulic industries. And the company was founded by my father, Gerhard, my uncle Karl, and my grandfather, Ernst. And that's the reason why Ernst, Weigele and Sons EWS. In the year 1970, we bought the first NC lathe. Gildemeister was the brand at that time, and there were no tool holder available, and my father said, let's do the tool holder by himself. And Gildemeister said, if you do so, please manufacture tool holders for us as well. And that was the beginning of a story of EWS tool holding systems.
We are producing static and driven tool holders for CNC lathes. Our major products are BMT and VDI tool holders, and this is our quick change system, the Varia VX. So, as you can see here, this is a small insert where you can set up a turret station in a very short time, so you only need 20 seconds and you can change a complete station. So let me show you. We have this wrench, and so we just turn here, and as you can see, it comes out, and you can take it out, take another one, and change the complete station in 20 seconds. And the big advantage is that you can pre-set up your tool right next to your machine. You can have a magazine next to your machine, and you're very flexible what you can put on your machine. And there are different styles. You can operate through the main and through the sub spindle. And we also have this now available for turning operation. So this is a brand new, it's called VXT for turning. That's our unique selling point where you cannot find anywhere else.
To satisfy our customers in India and then around the world. How do we do that? We try to have very short lead times throughout our production. That means if a customer is ordering a tool of us, we try to be as fast as possible to fulfill their needs. There are several points we try to improve, and today I would like to show you one. It's called, or actually two, it's technology integration. So we put together different processes we did before in several steps, and automation, the second step. And maybe you come a little bit closer with me into the machine, then I show you what we are doing there. On this DMG NLX, we are doing the VDI connection completely, and even with the other side. That's what we call technology integration. Before we have had 3 steps into it: turning, and here doing the teeth in a third operation. Now we are doing all in one operation with our tools, and that's the main point we also use in our production. We use our own tools and our own system. Like you can see here, this is all presetted tools with our VX system. We just put in, and the machine is ready within 20 minutes for the next product. If you come a little bit closer into the machine, you see the main point is here in a process perspective is we have to turn not a 4-edge material, which is hard for the machine and hard for the tool.
Yeah, we were very impressed because this year was the first time on the Imtex show as a new sales guy for EWS, and that was very impressive to see how things are going on and how strong the market is in India. Therefore, we want to use the opportunity and work together with our dealers to start good business in the Indian market.
Apart from Germany, they are having their factory in Korea, US, and sales offices in China and Turkey. The good news is that EWS is coming to India, and there are a lot of opportunities for Indian companies to get the wide range of innovations offered by EWS.